What is the length, x? Join line OB and line OC. Each equals to the radius, r of the circle. It implies that angle BOC equals 90 degrees, which equals to 2 times angle BAOC. This is because angle at center is twice that at the center of the circle. By Pythagoras' theorem, the square of line BC equals the sum of the square of line OB and the square of line OC. Substitute values and we have that the square of 2 equals the sum of the square of r and the square of r, which equals 2 times the square of r. Divide the equation by 2. The square of r equals half of 4, which equals to 2. Take the square root of the equation. It implies that r equals the square root of 2 units. Also, join line OD equals r. Reflex angle BOD equals 2 times angle BAD. It is because angle at center is twice that at the circumference of the circle. Angle BOD equals 2 times the sum of 45 degrees and 60 degrees, which equals 210 degrees. But angle COD equals angle BOD minus angle BOC. Angle COD equals 210 degrees minus 90 degrees, which equals to 120 degrees. Consider triangle COD and use cosine rule. The square of x equals 2 times the product of the square of r and 1 minus cosine 120 degrees. Since line OC equals to line OD, which equals r, substitute values. The square of x equals 2 times the product of the square root of 2 and 1 minus cosine 120 degrees, which equals to 6. Take the square root of the equation. X equals the square root of 6 units. Therefore, x equals the square root of 6 units.